what we gonna see?
So, bold in the sense?
In terms of the kissing scenes.
They're not kissing, yeah. They're acting. No, but and it's a relationship. It's a story of a relationship. It's about a boy and girl living together. I mean, there is going to be a certain amount of physical attraction, and so it was just this is exactly how we sent it. This is exactly how it was sent back to us.
Off late, कुछ words पर भी सेंसर बोर्ड ने काफी इशू उठाए थे.
मैंने भी आज सुबह ट्विटर पढ़ा है.
आपकी फिल्म को क्या कुछ प्रॉब्लम फेस करना पड़ा?
No. Not at all, because जब मुझे स्क्रिप्ट भेजा ही गया था UTV डिज्नी से, when the UTV मोशन पिक्चर से जब स्क्रिप्ट भेजा गया था, it was already written by Anshul in a very obviously it's edgy, picture बहुत edgy है, but it is meant for family audiences to come and view, and for young it's been written in the way the youth of this country talks today. So मतलब it's not, you don't need to have you don't have to be saying the F word and the B word and the MC word and the VC word. It's not important.
What is the rating that you are looking at? What is the rating?
When you say rating, these videos that you just saw have been certified UA. Yeah.
And the film?
UA.
Film when we certify, yeah. But एक्चुअली ये मूवी UTV मोशन पिक्चर्स का ब्रांड है, और जैसे आपने देखा अभी कि हम यंग फिल्म है, फैमिली के लिए भी है, तो फन एक्साइटिंग चीज़ें करना चाह रहे हैं. सो वेरी इनोवेटिव वेज ऑफ डूइंग थिंग्स. सो ही शॉट दीज लवली शॉट्स which are actually not in the film, but when you watch them, at least when we watched them, we were very excited. We were like, wow, these look so amazing. It almost is like a scene from the film. But Anshul and Nikhil have written these, so we'll keep doing innovative things. The movie has great music, like we've seen in the trailer. So lots of exciting things coming up.
कट्टी बट्टी ये नाम क्यों, ऐसा क्या है इस नाम के बारे में जिसने आपको होक करके रखा है इसके लिए?
जैसे मैंने पहले भी बताया, हर रिलेशनशिप में एक अप्स एंड डाउन्स होते हैं. अब some days are good, some days are bad, some days आप लड़ते हो, some days you don't you may not talk, some days you are best friends. तो इसलिए कट्टी बट्टी, जिस तरह से रिलेशनशिप, जिस तरह से लाइफ, जिस तरह से लव ऊपर नीचे होता है, उस हिसाब से कट्टी बट्टी का टाइटल दिया गया.
Amrita, any special reason behind these launching these promos first rather than songs?
So we felt that songs, though we have time, it's 18 September is the release date. So we thought, why don't we give the audience a little bit of the feel of the mood of the film. You know, the take that Nikhil has on the relationships, it's very different. It's fresh, we thought. So it'll be nice to shoot videos which are, and not just keep out giving content from the film. So of course you've seen the trailer. The trailer was, you know, has been liked, which we're very happy about. So we thought it'd be nice to make innovative, you know, videos with both of them. Their chemistry is great, I think. I hope you all think so too. So yeah.
Nikhil, also do you feel that you know, FTII deserves a more qualified person? Since you are a filmmaker and you've made a tweet in the past, so I'm just asking you your comment on it.
Yes, my answer is yes.
Alright, and you know, what are your thoughts, you know, with what's going on right now regarding the whole FTII?
I think my answer, which is yes, is my thought. I don't think that we should politicize art. We should never politicize it. It's wrong. And I think that I don't know whether the students should be allowed to choose their who they want. But at the end of the day, I think it's very important for people to sit down and understand what FTII stands for. FTII is the premier institute and we cannot make films in this country without the graduates of FTII, whether they are in sound, cinematography, acting, editing. They are our backbone, and I think they are very qualified to understand who needs to run the institute.
Are you facing some kind of challenge or pressure that last two films of Kangana done well on the box office? So with this Katti Batti, even Kangana gonna rock, but
no. Last two films of Kangana has done well in the box office. I'm hoping it becomes third, yeah. So there's no pressure. In fact, we have just, all of us have seen the film. We are very happy with the film. I'm very happy with the cut, and I just hope that all of the madness that Kangana now today generates rubs off onto Katti Batti also.
Adding on to that, Amrita, are you looking at any particular target that your film could probably reach a particular margin?
When you're saying margin, you mean audience. I'm going to take your target wala question. Audience, target audience. We'll make it target audience.
Not to the box office.
Well, I don't want to jinx it thinking about box office. I think it's very important for us to get people excited about the promotions, to get them to want to watch the film instead of thinking of numbers. He's made an amazing film, we think. We all think, of course. We are too close to the film, so we feel so. So it'll be nice for us to, get people excited. So that's what we're sort of focusing on right now.
Thank you.
I think the important thing was that the trailer was so well received.
Yeah.
By I mean it was phenomenal from just the little soldier dialogue to everything that Kangana and Imran were doing in the trailer, from the likes that the comments, the likes, the feedback we received. We just felt that it was important to take it one step further, let people understand who is Maddie, who is Payal, how we are all Maddie and Payal. And when we are in a relationship, we all go through the same thing. So lots of people have asked me about what was it that drew me to the script, and the familiarity that when I read the script was that अरे यार मेरे life में ये हुआ है. I've actually been through that. Whether it is a way they've spoken to each other, whether the things that they've done to each other is so familiar to what I have felt and what I know other people in relationships have felt, that we just felt that let's put that out, let's keep showing people more of Maddie and Payal, so that by the time we come closer to the film, everybody knows what Maddie and Payal are about.
Any of the real life Katti Batti moments you add on this?
Every day is of Katti Batti, every incident Katti Batti I have felt.
Which one is your favorite?
Not the little soldier, but other than that. Which one is my favorite? So I don't know. I think that there are some wonderful moments that are there in the film where they are just normally talking, and I think you should have to see it on the 18th of September. When you see it, there are some moments where all women will turn around and look at their boyfriends or their husbands, and all husbands will just keep their heads down. It's very much there.
हीरो कब रिलीज हो रही है उसको लेकर बहुत सी
I think we'll have another same tete-a-tete on the 15th of this month.
हॉलीडेज पे जा रहे तो फैंटम भी साथ में रिलीज हो रही है, तो बॉक्स ऑफिस पर
कौन सा फैंटम?
दोनों का क्रैश दिखेगा
कैटरीना एंड सैफ अली खान स्टारर फैंटम भी उसी डेट पर रिलीज हो रही है.
That's on 20th August.
That is 20th August. It's not releasing on the same date.
तो हीरो की बात.
Not releasing on the same date.
Done?
Yeah,
Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah.
something about the music of the film.
Something on the music of the film. It's I've had the great opportunity and good fortune of collaborating with Shankar Ehsaan Loy in 7 films, and they are phenomenal. They They understand this genre. They understand youth. They understand sound. They've they've really worked very hard at the music. We have 5 wonderful songs in the film.
There's also a glimpse of Lip to Lip this year, and
yeah, so there's Lip to Lip and Sarfira, and so it's just there's lovely music in the film, and it's wonderfully written by Kumar, who I have to say that everybody thinks will hear the lyrics and say ye Kumar ne likha hai. It's because it's not Chichora, it's lovely poetry.
And Amir Khan also tweeted and he congratulated Kangana and Imran.
Yes.
After watching the film.
Correct.
So are your expectations have been raised after his tweet?
No, I'm hoping to be able to show him the film, so that I can get some kind of guidance whether how we want to complete the film and that kind of stuff. So yeah, but I'm glad that he's been involved in at least that much of the film.
What has been the best compliment you have got for the first promo?
What has been the best compliment? Every day, every comment has been superb as far as I was completely taken aback by the feedback and the reception that the trailer. It looked as if that people were behaving as if the picture release ho gayi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.